Yeah, silver lining, I think he's sharing his experience, and there are a lot of kids out there who are talented, who are looking up to him as well and say, hey, if I have this kind of opportunity, I will excel in life, in every aspect of life that I find myself. He or she just wants the opportunity to have a better life. And what he's doing is courageous, and I commend him for that.
Well, something maybe could come out of it, where you realise that these things have gone on to everybody, including a famous person. And it's clearly a very private matter, which only now has he been able to tell us about it.
I mean, there are people who still have a huge issue over here in respect of immigration, legal or otherwise. So yeah, he's bound to get some negative news. I mean, one question might be, why has it come out now? Is it money based? Is there some kind of book? I don't know. There's some cynics out there. There's always a hater.